Hi guys! Welcome to our Malta travel series. Stay tuned and journey with us as we discover together this wonderful Mediterranean country. In today's episode, we get to explore the fortified city of Mdina, the former capital of Malta. We will roam the streets of this old and beautiful city, get lost among picturesque alleys, admire the beautiful architecture,
and witness the incredible views of the countryside.
and last but not least, get to try out Malta's best pasticci. We hope you will enjoy watching this video.
And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Good morning from Malta. We are out and about in the streets of Malta, and the plan for today is to go to Mdina, and we are going to rent one car. For our ride for today, we are using this to-go car, and we just found it here next to our place. It was very simple in the app, and we just unlocked the car and now we are ready to go. It's an electric car. It goes very fast and very smooth. It's so easy to drive. And Cheryl and Elijah are at the back.
Hello!
Let's go and make our way to Mdina. It is actually like my first times to drive electric car. It feels very smooth actually and very fast. You cannot hear the engine. You can hear the AC because we put it to the max. Wow, I think I like electric cars. So let's continue our journey to Mdina. We can already see Mdina on our right side here. Just reached Mdina. I parked the car here. It's a tiny space, but it's a tiny car, so it was easy. And now we're gonna make our way here in Mdina, checking this old fortified city. We are just walking now through this nice park here, full of olive trees and different plants and different trees. So we are making our way now to one of the places here where you can have pasticci, the famous Maltese pastry. We just reached the Crystal Palace. You can see it across the street, and we're gonna go inside now and have the famous pasticci. So we got a table here at Crystal Palace, thanks to our boy Matt, who came before us and he found us a table. Very famous place here in Mdina for the famous, the one and only Maltese pastry, pasticci. And now we are about to try the famous pasticci, the famous Maltese pastry. There you go. It looks like the Romanian pateu cu brânză. So let's try it out. Oh, big difference from the one we had yesterday. This is the real deal. And really it's the same taste with pateu cu brânză. Crunchy dough and cheese. Very nice. This is the real deal. Elijah is enjoying the ice cream. So next door, there is a shop where they have ice cream. Kabayans are there. And they have apparently one of the best ice creams here. Elijah really loves it. He got the yogurt and the vanilla flavor.
How does it taste?
Ice cream.
Ice cream? I will try the yogurt flavor.
I'll try a wafer.
Oh, it's so nice. It's like frozen yogurt in Dubai. And this is the vanilla. I will try the vanilla as well. I like the vanilla flavor better. So it's my time right now to try the pastizzi. They say it's the real deal. So as you can see, the outside part is very crusty and layered. And I'm gonna cut it in the middle. Let's see. Oh, the cheese.
I'm gonna get an apple pie ice cream.
Sides like this. The cheese inside, as compared yesterday, is more softer and I think it's more tastier. Now I will be trying the cheese drink called Eftimies. It is a bittersweet refreshment. It's a classic flavor. So, try. It's very refreshing. It's not that sweet because it's bittersweet, but it's just like flavored water, but with a quality one. It's like quality flavored water.
Okay, so we're gonna continue to enjoy these nice pastizzis. Pastizzi.
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 We finish eating the famous pastizzi at this famous place here outside the old fortified city of Mdina. And we are now making our way inside the fortified city of Medina, passing through these beautiful gardens here. Yeah, baby? Ooh, check, we have palm trees. You can see here at the back the outer walls of the fortified town. Very thick and big. And that over there is one of the entry gates.
We're about to enter now the main gate of Mdina. Let's go. We are just walking in the streets of Mdina.
Mdina served as Malta's capital until the arrival of the Knights in 1530. The fortified city of Mdina has been inhabited since prehistory. The city has been known under a range of different names based on its rulers and its role over the span of the 4,000 years since it was founded. This is an old ancient town. There are still people living here, so this is actually a livable area. Check out these narrow streets. You can just like get lost here. Walking in the streets of Mdina feels like embarking on a time journey. The architecture is a mix of Baroque and medieval. The buildings are wonderfully adorned and preserved. The entire place feels more like an outdoor museum rather than a residential area. The streets are ever winding, with alleys leading to dead ends or people's houses. We're just walking in these narrow streets of Mdina. Many of the streets in this fortified city are pedestrian only, and due to its relative small size, the city is easily walkable. Mdina is a must-visit destination when in Malta. This place is unique, full of character, very picturesque and beautifully charming. We are just strolling along the streets of Mdina here in Malta. It's a very beautiful and picturesque place. This neighborhood still has people living here. It's a really charming place. Yes, people still live here. The city currently hosts a few hundred inhabitants. We've just stopped over for a quick photo shoot here. I've just realized there's a guy house here. It says his house is here since 1471. Can you imagine that? Since 1471, his house is there. Wow, that's such a beautiful city. Oh wow, is that a horse?
We're now standing here at the St. Paul's Square. Check it out. I'm at this Mdina Cathedral, and it is just at the St. Paul's Square. Just found a cannon, and he's just going on it, on top of it like a horse.
A horsey. A cannon.
We carried on walking and exploring the city, stopping over again and again for one more shot. So, we'll leave you here with some beautiful silent shots from our walk.
We continued walking up to the city walls and relaxed with some incredible views over the island and the Mediterranean in the distance.
We really enjoyed exploring this beautiful old city. Mdina is a must-visit destination when in Malta. just finished touring the Mdina here in Malta. It was a charming fortified town. We are resting just here outside of the main walls, outside on main gate, on one of the benches here in this beautiful park, full with olive trees, different trees, plants. We're gonna rest a little bit, then we're gonna go back to our car. Thank you guys. We hope you enjoy watching this video. Remember to share it, give us a like and comment below. And if you love watching our videos, kindly click that subscribe and bell icon above. Thanks and see you on the next one.